In this video, I'll be answering, will AI replace CFA charter holders? More specifically, the correct question to ask would be, will AI replace finance jobs? I've cleared CFA level 1 and 2. I've worked in the industry for 2.5 years. I've also worked in AI as a product manager in a FinTech company. I'll be answering this question in short right now. Yes, AI will reduce the number of total jobs out there. Let's understand this by looking at what kinds of roles do CFA charter holders usually get into. These would be equity research, investment banking, portfolio management, wealth advisory, valuations, derivatives, and all of that. If you strip them down and lay the work that these roles do, it would be gathering information. Let's say that a trader goes and looks into past historical prices, or an investment banking associate looks into a deal, gathers different company documents together. This is the first part of the job that is done in finance roles, which is gathering information. The next step would be to process that information and make it into a human readable, understandable, or machine readable format. Because mostly this data is unstructured, this processing is an attempt to structure that data. Let's say you're downloading an annual report and it's in PDF format. Now your job is to put that data in the PDF to an Excel sheet. So you're trying to make unstructured data into structured data. These are the first two steps. The step number 3 would be to formulate your decisions and use that structured data to make an opinion or make a decision of whether this, let's say, merger and acquisition is worth it or not. Should it happen or not? Or present the facts, make a presentation. So formulating your opinion, that would be number 3. And number 4 would be communicating that opinion to the customer or your client. Step 1 and 2, gathering information and processing that information, that is the boring part if you look at it, because downloading company documents from a website is not interesting, and the same is with putting that PDF documents into an Excel sheet. That's also not very interesting. So number 1 and 2 can be very easily replaced by AI. AI can easily look into, search into different websites, and you just have to tell the company name. It can go into the website and download the document, and then it can also put those documents into an Excel sheet. This is a very specific example, but what I'm really talking about here is processing the data. AI can gather the data and also process the data with some efforts. But moving forward, it's going to get easier and easier. So these two parts of the job can surely get replaced. Now, coming to number 3, formulating your opinion. AI does have knowledge of all the internet. Everything that's on the internet is used by AI. But that's all very scattered, and you don't know what's right and wrong in the internet. And whatever skills and experience that you bring to the job, that's very unique to you. So AI can assist you in the step number 3, but it cannot replace you, because these financial decisions are very important decisions and people just don't trust AI to take these decisions for them. Now, number 4 was communicating that opinion or recommendation to your clients. Now, by communicating, I don't just mean sending an email or sending a text message. It means having that emotional intelligence and communication skills to build relationships with your clients and manage their expectations during market downturns, and communicating what's best for them. AI just cannot build human relationships the way humans do. So this step also is not replaced by AI. AI can assist you in it, because some part of communication is sending that message and sending that email. AI can help you with writing good emails, or if you have, let's say, a communication history with that client, AI can use that to write messages to those clients. So here too, AI will just assist you and not replace you. If you think about it, step 1 and 2 were the boring parts and AI took them away. And step 3 and 4 are the interesting parts. And now that AI will soon take away the first 2 boring parts of this work, you can focus more on the interesting part. So is some of your work offloaded to AI? Yes. And will that result in a decrease in jobs in the finance market? Yes, that will happen also. So now the question is, what can you do to avoid getting replaced by AI? The answer to this is that instead of thinking AI as your enemy, think of AI as an assistant. Think of AI as a partner. Learn how AI works, learn how to use AI in your workflow, and use AI to get more work done and use AI to get more quality work done, so that you just become irreplaceable This way, you will not only preserve your job, but also enhance your skills and improve your resume so that you become even more employable. So, guys, this is the note that I wanted to end this video with, that use AI, use it as a partner, integrate it into your workflow, become better instead of fearing it and stressing on will you lose your job due to AI. If you want more such videos, comment below and subscribe to this channel to stay updated.